Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Sharepoint list you want to link so you know the list name and columns. Once done, open Excel and choose Data, get data from online services from Sharepoint online list. When Excel asks for the site, paste the Sharepoint site root URL, not the full list path, so Excel can enumerate available lists. Make sure you are signed into the same Microsoft account in Excel. This avoids authentication, prompts, and speeds the connection. Once Excel connects, you'll see the navigator showing available lists. Select the exact list you need and preview rows to confirm. Click Transform Data to open Power Query so you can clean fields, remove unused columns, set proper data types, expand lookup columns, and filter rows. This step controls what comes into Excel and prevents slow downloads. After edits, click Close and Load or Close and Load to choose a table location. This creates a live query you can refresh. To finish, position the linked table where you want it and use Refresh to pull live data. If you need automatic updates, set refresh options in Query Properties or configure a scheduled refresh in Power BI/Excel Online where supported. Make sure column names and data types remain stable in Sharepoint. Changing types breaks the query. If things go wrong, first verify your Excel credentials and that you have list read permission. Then confirm column type mismatches and reapply transform steps to fix the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.